So my experience so far with the workshop, and this is the third in-person workshop here in Geneva, I'm very, very excited. It's very, very enriching. What the IATA Data and Technology PoC program does is to provide this platform where we have experts from the aviation industry, right? Airlines, airports. Then we have technology representatives, cloud providers, ISV, SIs. And this is really a global community that comes together to build something, a really tangible PoC, right? And that really gets me excited because also today we reached a milestone as a project team to really get something working across different technology stacks, integrations, right? Really making it realistic, the PoC. And yeah, like it really gets me excited. Also the continuation. So in terms of the use case that we're working on, we focused on a real-world problem together with the airlines, and that is on cargo interlining. So what we do is take a really complex, tedious process where today the business loses revenue because they cannot react in time. We take that, we apply novel technologies to it, right? That's really the scope of this PoC program, to kind of mix and try out. So we use agentic AI to approach this problem of cargo interline bookings, make that more efficient. And we keep always the customer at the center of what you do. We try to improve the experience. We demonstrate that it works better in this PoC scope. It will be my very first time going there. There's a lot of things, for example, the networking, for sure, right? Getting to see the same people again, or new people from the industry, that's going to be very exciting. Reconnect with the global community again in WDS 2026, right, in April. Also, I'm curious to see what the other teams are doing. And of course, I'd like to show what our team is producing in terms of the agentic AI and cargo interlining PoC. So don't forget to sign up, don't forget to come. Looking forward to seeing you there.